Hello Stu Takers, today we're going to be talking about a ring light, which I'm using right now. Now, why would you be interested in this? Well, if you're a photographer, if you're a YouTuber, or into any sort of beauty, anything like that, and you want to light up your subject to make you look as beautiful as possible, then this video is for you. That's all I've got to say. Let's get on with the video. Right, so this particular ring light is an 18-inch ring light by Esddi. Hope that's how you pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is a photography ring light. I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean. So that is what you are looking at right now. It's pretty cool. Now, I've actually got two studio lights on. That's what I look like right now. But what I will do is, for the process of this video, I will turn off my studio lights. But just to give you a little close-up of what we've got going on here, we've actually got two knobs just there. That is the brightness, and that is the one just there. It gives you a kind of lightness or kind of yellowness of either white or yellow. Just demonstrate that right now. At the moment it's 50-50, so I'm going to turn that all the way around so it's nice and glowy and warm. And if I turn it all the way around, it's a little bit brighter. See? So I usually have that round about the middle, and we can also have it really, really bright or really, really dark. So that's it round about the middle. So what do you get with the box? Well, I'm going to show you it right now. You get a carrying case, which is very well packaged. You get the ring light itself. You get a figure of 8 power cord. You get a stand which extends to about 6 feet tall, a flexible extension mount, a mobile phone holder, and some documentation. Right, for the sake of this test, my ISO is at 100, which is the lowest it can be, and my aperture is set at 3.5, which is also the lowest it can be for the lens that I'm using. So I really need as much light as I possibly can with this setup, but it does give the best quality for the camera. And this is what it's like with no lights whatsoever on in the studio. It's pretty dark. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its whitest setting and it's 0% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its whitest setting and 50% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its whitest setting and 100% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is its whitest setting and it's 0% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is its whitest setting and 50% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is its whitest setting and 100% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its halfway between white and yellow and it's 0% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is halfway between white and yellow and this is at 50% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is halfway between white and yellow and this is 100% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is halfway between white and yellow and this is at 0% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is halfway between white and yellow, and this is at 50% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is halfway between whiteness and yellow, and this is 100% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its yellow setting and 0% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its yellow setting and 50% brightness. I'm about 2 feet away from the camera. This is its yellow setting and 100% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is its yellow setting and 0% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is its yellow setting and 50% brightness. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. This is its yellow setting and 100% brightness. And now I'm back to 50% brightness and 50% between white and yellow, which I think is pretty much the best setting. So there you have it. There's your 18-inch ring light from Esddi. Hope that's how you pronounce it. If you find this anyway helpful, give me a big fat thumbs up. If you thought it was a big pile of doggy doo-doo, big thumbs down. Let me know in the comments why you think it's a big pile of dodgy doo-doo. And if you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. You can do it by clicking at the side of the screen and click that bell, but the system is pretty much broken, so if you want to see my latest videos, then check out the subscription tab, and that way you'll see any of my latest videos, along with all your latest videos from all the YouTubers that you are subscribed to. If you're looking for any of my social media links, they're in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're all well. Stay frosty. Bye-bye.